Hello viewers and welcome back to the channel, and today here we have a completely different video and we'll be talking about the Mahindra's electric auto rickshaw, that is the Mahindra Trio. So the main highlights of this auto rickshaw is that it has a low running cost of only 50 paise per kilometer, leading to savings up to 45,000 every year in the fuel cost, and also zero maintenance lithium ion battery with 3 years standard warranty and a minimum of 1,50,000 km of life. So talking about the specification, here you can see the front tire of the Mahindra Trio and the suspensions as well. So the Mahindra Trio gets a hydraulic brakes in both the front and the rear tires, and here you can see the headlamps at the front, and we get a normal headlamps in the Mahindra Trio. And you can see the overall design of this vehicle, and it's completely amazing and looks premium with this blue color. So you can see the Mahindra badging here at the front, and the main highlight of this Mahindra Trio is the excellent visibility for the drivers. As you can see here, the Mahindra Trio gets a larger windscreen area at the front, which increases the visibility for the drivers, and also you can see the front wipers for the auto rickshaw. So overall the look of the Mahindra Trio is pretty much amazing and is also more attractive than the normal auto rickshaws. So with 42 Newton meter of torque, the Mahindra Trio offers best in segment acceleration of 0 to 20 km per hour in 2.3 seconds, which makes the driving an enjoyable experience. And also the Mahindra Trio has the highest gradability of 12.7 degrees, which makes it easy to climb over the slopes and the flyovers, which is the best in segment for the auto rickshaws. And now you can see the driving seat, which is pretty much comfortable for the new auto rickshaw drivers, and also you can see the digital instrumentation cluster that is available there. And the red button you are seeing here is to operate for the front, reverse or the neutral. Overall it looks pretty well built in this new Mahindra Trio. So talking about the other features, the new Mahindra Trio is powered by an advanced lithium-ion technology and can travel up for 131 km on a single charge and has a certified range of 141 km. So here you can see the digital display of the Mahindra Trio, and you can see the wide windscreen, which is pretty much useful for the new drivers of the auto rickshaw. And here you have some other options for the horn or the indicators. So talking about the rear passenger space, with the longest wheelbase of 2700 mm, the Mahindra Trio offers the best in segment comfort with more legroom and also easy entry and egress for all age groups. So here you can see we have a small door that has been given for the Mahindra Trio, and it also has a small lock which makes it more safer in the auto rickshaws. And as I enter here, you can see here it has more spacious than the normal auto rickshaws. So you can see the amount of space available here in the new Mahindra Trio. So here you can see the front visibility of the windscreen for the driver, and also the inside of the Mahindra Trio, and also the amount of room or the space that is available in this auto rickshaw. So overall this Mahindra Trio is pretty much spacious than the normal auto rickshaw, and it has also the safety of the doors for the children who are sitting in the auto rickshaw. And as you can see here, we also have a lock which has to be unlocked to enter into the Mahindra Trio. So talking about the dimensions of this Mahindra Trio, it has an overall length of 2769 mm and a width of 1350 mm with a height of 1750 mm and an overall wheelbase of 2073 mm. So this is how the Mahindra Trio looks from the rear, and you can also see the Mahindra badging, and you can also see the Trio, and it has been written electric on the left side. So overall the Mahindra Trio is pretty well built, and you also get the subsidy for this vehicle from the government. So talking about the time that is needed to completely charge the vehicle, the Mahindra Trio needs just 3 hours 50 minutes to completely charge the vehicle, and it can be charged anywhere as it comes with a portable charger that can be charged using a 15 amp socket. And here you can see the handbrake of this Mahindra Trio. And you can see here that the driver's seat is also very much spacious and comfortable than the normal auto rickshaws. And now let me show you the rear space. As you can see here, the amount of space that is available, and it also has a door for the safety in the new Mahindra Treo. So in a complete charge of 3 hours 50 minutes, the Mahindra Treo has a driving range of 131 km and has a certified range of 141 km by the company. So the vehicle also gets the cloud-based mobility platform where we can remotely monitor the range, speed and location of the vehicle.